Girl. Hi. What time do you wake up?
Boy, I wake up at 7.
Oh, nice. I wake up at 6.
You wake up very early.
Yes, I like quiet mornings.
Mornings feel calm and fresh.
What do you do after waking up?
I wash my face and eat breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and tea.
I drink milk in the morning.
Milk is healthy and simple.
Do you exercise every day?
Yes, I take a short walk.
Walking is good for health.
Yes, it gives me energy.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9.
I start at 10 today.
That gives you more rest.
Okay, I must get ready now.
Yes, I will get ready too.
Talk to you later today.
Sure, message me